It's motivation versus our first game, first match for our 40 above category. First 5 on the federation, it's Cesar Reyes. Okay. It's first position at the correct. Papang in the ball game. Looking for Park carry. Pass. Tumar. Back to Papang. Open jumper, elbow jumping for just short. Rebound on the veteran load. As depends on Park Curry. It's 9 minutes 30 seconds. This is our first game, first match. Now Passion looking for Reyes. Elbow jump. Bang! Basket count on Reyes. 2-0. Arcari looking for Omar. Omar attempt for 3 short. Rebound on Chavante. Back to 14 7. It's rubbing ring violation on Papang. First turnover on Papang. Now 9 minutes. It's 2-0. Motivation by 2. Now Passion looking for Cesar. Cesar for 3. Short. Rebound by Reyes. Reyes again. Air ball. Top. It's Omar. Now Omar. Guarded by Cesar. 1-1 by Cesar. Omar now. Looking for Lin. Lin. Favorite shot attempt. Now Lin. Elbow jump again. Too strong. Rebound. Papang Sanders. Second time around. Oh! A shot coming from Papang. Now 2-all. It's a first and left of the game. Motivation versus Akure. Passion. No hesitation shot. Bang! 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 All Passion. 5-4. Back to 3-point lead now. Motivation. Park Curry. Papang again. Rep. Usog rep. Now rebound on Reyes. Papang interceptor again. Ling. Take. In and out. Again, in and out by Len. It's 7 minutes and 50 seconds. Reyes. Now looking at out. It's down the veteran road. Oh, it fall. 14 is tackle 14. 7 minutes our time. 17 and 30 seconds. Now Reyes. 10 seconds to shoot. Passion, looking for the veteran low, in and out, rebound on Lin. Now Lin to Park Curry. Now Park Curry now, running Park Curry, guarded by Passion. Papang again, corner pocket shot. Papang 1-1, kick out pass to Park Curry, open jump. Now in and out again by Park Curry. It's now kick to pass. All alone, Cesar. Cesar again, looking for Passion. Passion running, oh, too strong. Rebound on to correct. It's Lin. Looking for Park Curry. Park Curry now. Kick out pass. Huh? Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Pueblo. 5-all. Nice move. Too strong. Rebound on Park Curry. Parcari, 2, 3 on 1. It's Parcari looking for Pueblo again. It's Pueblo. 7 against 5. Back to 2-point lead on Tagore. Now Cesar. Adipelbar. Looking for Reyes. Now Reyes. Where are you? Reyes now. Reyes again. It's
Nice.
running violation on Reyes. Turnover again on Reyes. 6 minutes. Now it's 7-5. 2-point lead on Samahang Tagore. It's Parcari. Now Pueblo. No hesitation shot again. Second time rebound top. It's Papang. Papang carried by top again. It's now 3-2. 4 on 1. Cesar drive. Bang. It's Cesar. 7-0. Lead. Yun na lang tayo It's Papang there. For side down in the break place on Papang. Sander now 9-7. Makikot 20 na Tagore. Now the veteran now, guarded by Omar, the veteran, looking for a pass. He's still again by Papang. Now the veteran,
Box.
Cesar, in and out. It's now again on the veteran of 14 set of 14. 10. Passion. Bang! Passion. 9-all. It's 5 minutes remaining time, 9-all. Parcari, guarded by Cesar. Looking for Omar. Again, it's still and selfish pass. It's Passion on the way. Looking for Cesar. It's now 11 against 9. 2-point lead back to modulation. Parcari. Now Pueblo. Favorite shot. Bang, bang, bang. On Pueblo. 12-11. Nice pass outside. Now again, looking for Cesar. Cesar looking for the veteran load. Short. Again, it's rebound on motivation. It's 4 minutes and 10 seconds. 12-11 score. Still 1-point lead on Samahang Tagore. Now Parcari. Lin. Back to Parcari. Now Lin again. Nice pass. It's Papang. Sander again. In and out by Papang. Rebound on the veteran load. Now the veteran now running, gunning, coast to coast. Stop up. The veteran. Short again. Veteran again with rebound. Shot! Passion! Yun na again, rebound on Lin. It's Lin to Papang. Still may Passion. Now it's Cesar. One-on-one. Cesar looking for the veteran. Just stays to 40 to shoot. Nice pass. Cesar. Hang time. Rebound. It's not Lin. It's 2-on-1. Lin now. Lin drive. Lin all alone. Getting it out by Lane. It's now the veteran load. 3-on-2, 2-on-3, stop up. The veteran, short on the veteran.
Okay, bawi.
Looking for lead, top. Time out. On Samahang Tagore, it's 12 against 11. 1-point lead on Tagore. It's same ball, 14 to shoot.
Konti. Yan.
Papang! In and out again may Papang. It's How. Foul on Papang Sander. It's second team foul on Tagore. First personal foul against Papang Sander. Now the veteran load. Nice defense on Pueblo. 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Nice pass. Passion all alone. Too strong. Rebound by Pueblo. Now Carcari. 2-on-1. It's Omar. Wala pass coming from Carcari. Now turn 14 against 11. 2-point lead on Tagre. 3-point lead on Tagre. Cesar. Too strong and rebound on Papang Sander. Now Papang looking for his teammates. Pueblo. Keep looking at pass to Parcari. Parcari now. Back to Pueblo. Pueblo all alone again. Too strong. Omar. To Lin. Guard by Reyes. Too strong again by Lin. It's Papang downside. 10 seconds to shoot. In and out. Rebound by Lin. Yeah. Now Cesar running. Cesar drive. In and out top. It's Cesar again. Fake. It's a Cesar. It's foul on Parcari. It's first on Parcari. 13 foul on Tagre. 1 minute and 49 seconds. Still on score. 14 against 11.
Done! Bilis! Done! Bilis! Tapos na!
It's 0 out of 2. Coming from Cesar. It's Papang. 1-on-1 with Passion. Papang drive. It's going. Steal by Reyes. Now Cesar. 2 and 3. Looking for the veteran load. Bang! On the veteran load. Now 14 all. It's our third deadlock of the game. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Papang again, elbow jump, too strong. Rebound again on motivation. Reyes, to load. Now the veteran stop up. Wow, it's back-to-back shot from load. 16 and 14. Now 2-point lead of motivation. 1 minute. Pueblo. Bang! On Pueblo. Now his third 3-point shot now in the game. Pueblo. Dalaud. 50 seconds. Reyes. Passion. Stop. Now top. It's Reyes again. Reyes now. It's now 18 against 17. A 1-point lead on Tagore. 35 seconds. 30 seconds. Steal again on motivation. 20. Steal by steal. Parcari. It's 4-on-2. Lin. Yes, again. 10 seconds. Steal by Omar. Lin. 5 seconds. Short. Top. It's Lin. And now the first quarter score, it's 21 against 18. 3-point lead on Tagre.
Pipili sila tatlo. Papasok lang kami. Tulo lang kami. Ha?
Second quarter. It's motivation ball, motivation.
Pasok! Kasi hindi walang palitan eh. Pasok po.
Una. Duha lawan na siya.
Ball game, second quarter. Now rock and rolling the ball game. Pagkakot sa plan. Short.
Uy!
Arenado. Now now 20 against 21. It's a 2-1 Tino Takure.
Pre, kunin nyo na yung basic rebounds.
Now Omar. CJ, back to Omar. Short, rebound on Biner. Now rock and roll now. Oh, it's first turnover again. Now rock and roll. It's 9 minutes and 20 seconds. 21 against 20. 1 point lead on Takure. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, die! 24 against 220. Now, rock and rolling. Directo sa plan. Drive. To Bener. Short top in Hernado. Steal by CJ. Steal again Peñas. It's now the director. Looking now, drive. The director for a jumper. Airball. Arellano. Nice defense now. It's now CJ. Looking for the steal. Now Omar all along. It's Omar is foul. Foul on number 8. On the director Sablan. First on the director, first team foul commission. Link, kick out pass to Dai. Now guarded by Del. Now it's now rebound Omar to CJ. CJ is short. Top. It's motivation. Now rock and rolling now. Stop up. Guarded by Sablan. In and out, top, it's now Takure. Now running, coast to coast. Umay! Still on rock and Lim. 2-on-1, 3-on-1, Lim. In and out, the director sa plan. Bang! 22 against 24. Sa 2-point lead on Takure. Now CJ. Dai, nice move. Dai, short. Now rebound on Biner. It's Biner to Arenado. Now Lim. 3-on-2. Back to Arenado. Arenado side step. Too strong, short. It's Dai to Omar. Now Omar now looking for Flores. Flores now. Guarded by Biner. Flores now. It's now steal again. It's Dai all alone. Foul. All again on number 8 on the director sa plan. Second on the director. Second team foul on the patient. 6 minutes remaining time. Second quarter first game. Or on 40 above category. 25 to 22. 3-point lead now against Takure. 2-on-2 coming from Dai. 26-22. 5 minutes and 50 seconds. Takure now up by 4. Lim. Nice pass outside. It's now hesitation drive. Too strong and top. It's now. It's last chance on motivation. 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Still 4-point lead on Takure.
Pisto ka.
Now Omar. Airball. Again, rebound on motivation. Pass to Arenado. Arenado now. Side step. Arenado. Block behind. What a defense on this small guy. Running now. Takure. Dai. 1-on-1. It's Dai. 28 against 22. 6-point lead on Takure. Lee. Sablan. In and out again by the director Sablan. Now it's now motivation. Take motivation again. Too strong. Sablan. Short. It's foul. Foul on number 07 on Flores. His first on Flores. First team foul on Takure. 4 minutes and 44 seconds. It's Takure ball. Takure. 28 to 22.
Dai, huli mo bola. Kapwisto mo si Day. Sige.
Pre, kang rebound kayo.
Yan, yan. Pag wala, ibigay mo
CJ.
Takot ang bola, takot.
Omar. Now Dai. In and out, top. Now Lim. Now it's 3-2. Lim now running. Lim looking for Reynaldo. Reynaldo. Foul. Foul on one.
Ilan na yun, boss?
Second team foul on Tongre. First on one. 23 against 28. It's 1 out of 2 coming from Reynaldo. 23-28, 5 points in Tongre. 4 minutes remaining time. Second quarter,
Okay,
our first game. It's Tongre versus Station 1.
Kita ka. Day, dyan. Kita ka, dyan.
Nice pass. Selfish move. Yo! 30-23. Now 7 point lead on Tongre. Lead is foul. Time out. On motivation, foul on CJ. First personal foul on CJ. Third against Akure.
Sige lang, abang lang kayo.
Yung rebound lang. Pre, malapit na tayo. Ulan tayo.
Mar, tama yan Mar. Kita ka Mar. Ngayon, wing silang dalawa. Pag wing kayong dalawa, ngayon si Dayan sa...
Sila lang.
Ang bola muna, depensa, rebound muna bago,
3 minutes, 47 seconds.
Ay, kanina.
Bola nila.
30 against 23. Akore by 7. Now lead. Sablan. Favorite shot. Short top. It's time.
Okay, dali no.
Now Dai running. Dai coast to coast. Dai ball. It's motivation ball. 3 minutes and 28 seconds. Now rock and relief. Sablan. Bang! Director Sablan. 25-30. 5 point lead now. 3 minutes. Omar. To CJ. 10 seconds to shoot. He's still on Lim. Now Lim. Coast to coast. Bang! Basket count and 1 on the rock and roll lane. 27 against 30.
Basket time out.
Now warning for penalty on Takure. Second on Omar. Basket timeout rep. Basket timeout. Foul on number 8 on the deck of Sablan. Timeout! On Takure. It's 30 foul on limitation. Third personal foul on the director Sablan.
Sige, huwag ka nang umawak ng bola. Si Omar, madalin mo. Pwesto ka na dito sa gilid.
Two minutes and 53 seconds.
Tira open ha, tira open.
Omar.
Yasa.
Kabila si Jay. Diyan, si Jay. Diin ka. Yan.
Now Dai. Bang! Dai! 32-27. 5 point lead now, Takure. Lead.
Buka bola.
Now the director, right place at the right time. In and out. Reynaldo. It's foul. Foul on number 10 on Dai. First on Dai. Now Takure. Over the limit. Penalty now. 2 free throw shot coming from Reynaldo.
Dapat pagtira nila una, kunin na natin.
28-32. Just a 4 point lead on Takure. Now 2-2 coming from Arenado, 32-29, it's a 3-point lead on Tagre. Now Omar, 2 minutes. Air ball. It's now motivation. Running now. Napeñas, kick out pass to Lim. Bang! Lim! 31-32. Omar. Looking for die. Top. It's motivation for motivation. 31-32. It's 1 minute and 30 seconds. 1 point lead only by Tagore. Now Lim. Time to shoot. Biner. 5. Short. Arenado. Whoa! Arenado. It's 33-32. It's 1 point lead now. Motivation. Omar. Looking for Qatar. Back to Omar. Again die. Still again on motivation. Looking for Lim now. Lim will set the play. Lim now. Nice kick out pass to Sablan. Bang! Sablan. 45 seconds. 35-32. 3-point lead on motivation. Now CJ. 30 seconds. Qatar. 10 to shoot. Lim again, running. Lim 1-1. Lim goes to first, kick out pass to Biner. Nice pass, Biner. Whoa! And sa pass to Biner is 37-32. 15 seconds.
Last shot.
Kuha pa ng depensa, puro kayo pensa.
5 seconds. 2 seconds, 2. All on the warning for penalty motivation. Personal opinions. 2 seconds. And now, our second quarter. Now motivation up by 5. It's 37 against to 32. Third quarter ready, third quarter.
Nairing natin ha.
Ilan kayo? Ilan kayo? 11. Ilan kayo?
9.
Plus 5 sila. Plus 5 sila.
Now our score, 42 against to 32. A 10-point lead now on motivation. Now Papang Thunder now back to the ball game. Looking for Die, elbow jump, now short, Lapeñas. It's same ball. Last touch on Lapeñas. Now Parkari. 10 seconds to shoot. Papang. Hey! Rebound on Pablo. Right place at the right time. Basket count and 1 on Pablo. Foul on again on number 8. 88. On Calunod. It's first personal foul on Calunod. First team foul innovation. 0 to Pomepetro. It's 42-34. Back to 8-point lead on motivation. Now the veteran Lou looking for Cesar. No hesitation shot. Short top. It's now Papang Thunder. Marcari. Looking for Lee. Lee now escape. Nice crossover. Steal on Reyes. Same ball. 14 to shoot. Lead, pay, 10 to shoot. Bang! Money, money, money! Now 36 to 42. Nice shot by Park Curry. It's a 6-point lead on Motivation. Nice move. Basket down and one on Reyes. It's foul on Pueblo. It's 44-36. First team foul on Tacuray. First personal foul on Pueblo. It's 8 minutes and 27 seconds. Our third quarter, first game, first match. It's 45-36. 9-point lead by Motivation for Curry. For Curry again. 14 to shoot. Papang, visitation play. Papang, 1-1 to Calhoun. Papang, turn around to strong lead. Lead again. 1-1. Tap. Lead right. Oh, in and out my lane. Now rebound on Reyes. Now low the veteran. Steal on Park Curry. Park Curry steal too. Park Curry now. Looking for Papa Sander. Pass to Park Curry. Go. Whoa, what a play. Coming from Tacuray. It's 38-45. 7-point lead back to Motivation. Now the veteran load. Kick out pass. Cesar. This is 8. Now 10 to shoot. Rebound on the lane. Now Park Curry. Looking for Pueblo. Park Curry 10 to shoot. Rebound on Peñas. Now Cesar. Nice pass outside Caloro. It's turnover again on Motivation. 5 minutes and 58 seconds. (45-48). 7-point lead on Motivation. Pueblo. Short. Rebound by Reyes. Now it's the veteran load. Laod side step move. Bang! The veteran load. 37-38. 9-point lead back to Motivation. Steal all alone. Now it's Cesar. Cesar. Time out. On Tacuray. 49 against 38. Now 11-point lead on Motivation. To the ball game, back to the ball game. (49-38). It's 11-point lead on Motivation. Park Curry. Papang. Now Pueblo. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Pueblo! 49-41. 5 minutes. Cesar. Too strong. Reyes. 10 seconds to shoot. Steal by Dai. Now Park Curry. It's guarded by Calhoun. Park Curry now. It's Dai. Fake. Dai. Drive. It's shot again. Dai rebound. It's foul. On number 7. Chatrition up. In second team foul against Motivation. First shot foul on the veteran load. Basket substitution. Basket substitution. Chatrition up. 42-49.
Sipag lang.
Napasyon.
Ito lang yan, sipag lang.
It's Reyes. Shout out, shout out. It's Revelation.
Tasyo.
Thank you for watching our live on Facebook page. 4 minutes. Parkare, die. Too strong. Napasyon. Side step. Still by Lin. Turnover on Takure. Substitution them, sub.
Okay, tulong lang, tulong lang. Tawag.
Too strong. Now the foul. Looking for Lin. Lin now. Lin goes to close. Ball. Again. Ninagay by Lin. Kalunod. 3 on 2. Kalunod elbow jump. Bang. Kalunod. 51 to 42. Back to 9.3 on elevation. Parkari. Still again by Reyes. Now Reyes to Kalunod. Kalunod now. Unselfish pass. Reyes. Oh! What a move by Reyes. 53 to 42. 11 point lead now motivation in 2 minutes. CJ. Too strong. Rebound on the veteran again. Load. Now Load now. 1-1. Crossover now. It's Load. Still by Pablo. Datar, 3 on 1. Datar with the ball. Datar. Time out. On motivation, it's 44 to 73. 9-point lead back to motivation.
Basta po yung dalawa. Nandun kayo dalawa. Kanina. Wala tao sa kabila. Balanse kayo.
After the ball game, 1 minute and 36 seconds.
Huwag kayo magsasama sa isang side. Pre, sipag lang.
Magkapalikod pa kami.
Tulungan niyo yung nasa
Pasyon.
Welcome, Ustads. Jomar, naing.
In and out.
Tayo!
Pasyon again. Bang! Mali, mali, mali! 55 to 44. Kalunod. Reyes goes to call. Reyes is foul. Foul on number 3 on Parkari. Second personal foul against Parkari. Second team foul against Takure. 2 free throw shot coming from Reyes. Are in defense of Abu Dhabi. It's now 56 against the 44. 1 out of 1 coming from Reyes. It's 2 out of 2 coming from Reyes. Now 57-44. Slowly but surely now, motivation up by 13. 50 seconds. CJ. Again, too strong by CJ. It's foul. Foul on Flores. It's 13 foul on Takure. Second personal foul against the big guy, Flores. Arroyo. Nakalunod. Short. Rebound by Pueblo. Parkeri. Nice pass. Datar on alone. Wala pass coming from Parkeri now till 57-46.
Yan na, uy, yan na.
15 seconds.
Lamang sila ha. Tayo mag-relax.
Pre, meron pa oras yan ha?
10. Pueblo. 5.
5! Tira!
And now about third quarter score. It's 57-46. Motivation up by 11.
Pasawasin mo. Ikaw.
Shout out. By Sir Stats. Motivation ball, motivation. Last quarter. Now rock and roll in. Nice pass outside. Arenado. Called by Palcari. It's Napeñas. Bang! Mali! 59-46. 13-point lead of relation.
Labas isa, dalawa kayo dyan.
Pablo. Back to Palcari. Omar. Left alone. Again, too strong. Rebound again on Arenado. To Lim. Now rock and rolling now. Rock and rolling. Looking for Sablan. Sablan favorite shot. Too strong shot. Rebound Arroyo. Arroyo block by board. Rebound on Palcari. Now looking for Lee. Arroyo. Palcari. 8 minutes. Nice ball! Again, in and out again by Dai. Now Arroyo. Arenado. Looking for Napeñas. 1-1 by Dai. 10 seconds to shoot.
Tira, pag libre, tira. Nice, Lim.
In and out. Tap. It's Lim. Palcari. Bang! Mali! 48-59.
Mar, ikaw yung ano, pass break.
7 minutes. Arenado. Bang, bang, bang! Arenado. Lee, Omar. Now Dai. 10 seconds to shoot. Substitution comes up.
Sina, 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 sina.
6 minutes and 25 seconds, 62-48. Cesar, drive. Napeñas, 10 seconds to shoot. Short. Rebound on Dai. Now Palcari. Guarded by Lee. Nice pass. Turnover, substitution up, so. Back-to-back turnover on Takure. Stop.
Kaya, baksa, baksa.
6 minutes. Lee.
Bante rin, bante.
Huwag nyo na sayangin.
Dahil to Palcari. In and out. Lee. Now pass to veteran low. 3-on-2. The veteran now. Long tray. In and out. It's Cesar. Whoa! What about by Cesar? 64-48. Palcari. Omar. Dai. Left alone. It's tie. DAY is that 50-64. 14-point lead of relation. 5 minutes and 15.
Shoot time out. Shoot lang.
Lee. 10 seconds to shoot. Time out. On Takure, it's 16-point lead now. Motivation, it's 66 against 50.
Tinggo na ko na ito. Bawat sa bata. Pinag-borda.
Gusto lang.
Whoa! Wala passport card to Elday. 52 to 66. 14-point lead on Motivation. Lee, 10 seconds to shoot. Bang, bang, bang! On the veteran low. 69 to 52. Omar. Now, Pueblo, 10 seconds to shoot.
Walking.
Wow! It's Flores.
Isa, hoy!
Right place at the right time on Flores. 69 to 54.
Isa! Yun. Sige, hoy. Ayun na si Juan.
Takbo na, parkaro eh. Abang kasi ng bola dito.
3 minutes and 40. Pueblo.
Bilis! Kaya na!
It's time.
Kuha isa. Ito.
69 to 56. Black. Isa pa si Paulo Cesar sa dito si Napsok. First team foul on Motivation. First personal foul on Julius Cesar.
Okay, huwag nyo nasayangin.
Now die. Long three. Bang, bang, bang.
Kuha isa, hoy!
One die.
Lapitan nyo na!
69 to 59.
Lapitan nyo para hindi maka...
3 minutes. 10-point lead now on Motivation. Reyes. 10 seconds to shoot. Ling. Last stats on Motivation. 2 minutes and 45 seconds. This is our last quarter.
Sige, bilisan nyo lang. Bilis. Hoy, marami kayo dyan.
Porcari.
Balanse, nasa kabila kayo lahat.
Kabila kayo dito.
Still on rock and roll. Now Ling, looking for Laud. 2 minutes and 20 seconds.
Kuha.
Siya lang sa'yo, ah.
Ha? Sana ba? Dalawa?
Wala na. Isa na to.
10 seconds to shoot. Short. Oh, Reyes. Time out. On Takure, it's 71-59. 12-point lead. Back to Motivation.
Ang gusto yun.
Sige, bilis mula.
Move shot. Die. Second round. Foul. Foul on Reyes. Iti, foul on Talon. Second Second team foul on division. Second personal foul on number 88 on Kalunod.
Buong dyan, buong laban.
1 minute and 56 seconds.
Kuha!
Die. Nice foul.
Sige, kuha isa! Uy! Kuha na!
Foul on Die. It's the first team foul on Takure.
Kuha na! Lapitan nyo na!
Second personal foul on BAY. It's Die.
Dai, kumuha na!
It's
Kuha ka isa!
Cesar Soblan. Laud. 10 seconds to shoot. 5. Parkari. Umar Tulay. Whoa! One more by Dai. 61 to 21. Tulay na information.
Just go.
1 minute and 5 seconds. Short. Kalunod. Foul. Foul on number 3 on Parkari. Now second team foul on Takure. Third personal foul on Parkari. Short. 1 minute and 2 seconds on our last quarter. It's 1 up to 2 coming from Kalunod.
Bilis! Wala na oras! 3, tira!
Still 55 seconds, 55.
Nice!
Bang! Bang, bang, bang!
Foul!
One
Huwag
Parkari!
na! Wala nang oras!
42 seconds, 42. Third team foul on Takure. Third personal foul against Omar, 42 seconds.
Paul na!
It's 40 seconds. Warning for penalty Takure. Third personal foul on DAY Igday.
Walo na lang yan. Huwag lang maubos ang oras. Paul! Free!
35 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Foul on tie. Now Takure on penalty. Fourth personal foul against Dai. Warning on Dai. 30 seconds remaining time. Our last quarter. 62, 64, 73. 9-point lead on Motivation. It's 1 up to 2. Now Omar.
Nice!
Rebound on Cesar. 20 seconds. 15. 10. And our game, our winner, Motivation